What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be going over another product from Melonare that they sent out for me to do a review on. It is the Melonare WM1 wired headphone amp. Let's check it out. So here we have the Melonare WM1 headphone amp. You can see here we got the mono stereo switch, which is very convenient depending on the signal you're getting, and anywhere you play at you will have that flexibility. Turns on by turning on the volume knob. There you can adjust your volume. You got a mute button, which was pretty cool to use. Never had that on one of these types before, so that was nice to try out. You got your standard combo jack. You can use a 1/4 inch or XLR cable for it, and I really loved the clip on there. The clip for your belt, which was very sturdy. It's an all metal casing, and the clip was super strong, and I don't think I've seen a better clip than this one. Here you can see that it is battery powered. It did come with batteries, which was a nice little touch. Lasted pretty much the entire camp, and we used it for, the pianist used it for his in-ear mix, and it lasted the 3 services that we did. So I've used a bunch of headphone amps like this in my time. I've used the Behringer P2. I've used some Amazon versions of it. This is another version of it, and I can say that the first time I turned it on and I started playing, I usually play keys when I'm using one of these, and it sounded really good. Like, I was shocked at how clean it sounded and how like it had a really full sound when I was using it. Yes, it's very robust. It's an all metal setup. I love the clip on it. I don't really have anything bad to say about it. And I love when they add the mono stereo switch on it, which is a plus, because when you go somewhere and you're playing, you don't know what kind of signal you're gonna get. If you get a stereo signal, cool, it's awesome, because you're gonna get a really good quality sound. But you don't always have that. Sometimes it's gonna, most of the time actually, it's gonna be mono. So it's nice to have that, flexibility to be able to do those things. So if you're in the market for one of these headphone amps, I recommend this one. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down for this. If you have any questions about it, you can leave a question down in the comment section. I'll be there to help you guys out as best as I can. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all that great YouTube stuff. You guys know how it works. God bless y'all. Stay safe. Go check out the Melonare WM1 and see for yourself, so you can see how good it is for yourself. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.